My name is Nyaradzo. I am the Organizational Effectiveness and Transformation Specialist for Wilmar, South Africa. I come here in gratitude. Gratitude firstly to God for sustaining our business. Without that, we would not have been able to fund the courses that you guys are on now. We would not have been able to see the growth that we see now, the mindset shifts, the behavior shifts. We wouldn't. I'm also grateful to God for having kept all of us healthy and well. Yes. You came here healthy, you went back to your workplaces healthy. And we are really thankful for that. The second people I want to thank is Wilmar SA leadership for believing in the benefits of this program and for funding this program. We had to engage with Dyna. We had to say, but what is in it for us? What is in it for our delegates? Where do you add value? We engaged in different conversations before we had to sit with Teva. People from whom I say no Teva. And convince them to say, look, this is really beneficial. I want to thank Asha. He's the one who pioneered these programs in Wilmar SA. But I think there had been a period before it was raining, and also with COVID-19, it was a bit of a challenge to start this program. So thank you so much, Asha, for introducing this brilliant program to our organization. I want to thank our line managers here seated for your support, for coming and garnering your support to come and to show it to your delegates. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for nominating the delegates that are sitting here. There is no delegate here who's not here by design. You are here by purpose. That is why this program had an impact not only in your workspaces, but it had an impact in your personal lives. So I really thank you for the choices that you made, because these are the people who are going to value this program and really make sure they apply it back in their workspaces. I want to thank you for supporting them, for guiding them, for coaching them. I've always thought Wilmar SA doesn't have time. Look, I've been here for a year and 2 months. And each time I see people running around, people are all over the place, they're rushing to do this, they're rushing to do that. I was shocked by the time that these line managers availed for the coaching of our delegates. None of these managers missed any of the coaching sessions. I could not believe it. I really thank you for that support and believe in your delegates. Thomas, Estelle, Daniela is not here. You guys are great. I thank you, Thomas, for your dedicated support, for your passion, for your feedback, and for collaboration. I really appreciate it. You have made me experience training in a different way. You made us part of this, and you made us want to be involved more and more in this. So thank you for that, and thank you for not only focusing on their effectiveness at work. You made a bigger impact in their personal lives, and you made them see their worth. You revived their knowledge of their purpose. They knew their value to add. They knew why they're here on earth. But something in some of them had disappeared and had made them wonder, made them doubt. But you revived that. And for me, if anything, that is the biggest impact, because when you change the inside, you have done with the outside. Brilliant. Thank you so much. I want to thank my supervisor, Nomsamo Fokeng. She's not here today. For believing in learning, for pushing to drive this, for making sure that we schedule meetings with managers, for pushing this agenda. I really appreciate that about her. She really believes in learning. She is a great coach and a great mentor to me personally. Today is a birthday.
Oh.
Yes. So one of the things I shared with her is that I thanked her for impact in my own personal life. I knew her even before Wilmar SA, and she continues to guide and coach me. And when I was thanking her for that, guess what she said to me? She said, pass it forward. And she confirmed what I believed in already. And I come into this room and I'm like, let's see what these delegates have been up to. And I see that message, pass it forward. So I really believe it's a message to me. My personal journey is that I grew up in Zimbabwe, came to South Africa, got my education, entered the corporate world. I really benefited a lot from South Africa, both from an education perspective, from coaching, from the mentoring that I received in people. And this is the coaching that has given me the confidence that I have. And one thing I vowed to myself is, I am going to give back to South Africa.
Wow, yeah.
I strongly believe in South African talent. And I strongly believe that if I only move this aspect of this individual's life, even if it's just complimenting them, even if it's just showing them the way, even if it's just answering a question, I've done something. And I vowed that I'll give back, and I will continue to give back. Learning is, when I was growing up, I grew up in a mission school, and the main activities there was a primary school, boarding school, and there was a teacher's college. And the most prestigious career was a lecturer. So when I was in grade 1, I was asked, each time I was asked, what do you want to be? I said, I would want to be a lecturer. And I think I shaped my own journey. I strongly believe in learning. And I think I would end up there. I just need to do my doctorate. Pave my way there. So yeah. I want to thank Wilmar for an opportunity to be part of this transformation. It's so humbling. I attended some of the coaching sessions, and I was wowed by the learning that our delegates are going through. And I'm really humbled to be part of these beautiful testimonies that you guys have been sharing. I want to thank our delegates for their commitment, their passion, their eagerness to learn and apply, and their honesty in being aware of their own strengths and their developmental areas. I mean, Arthur was sharing how he drives people and how you should just hit the highway if you're not in agreement with me. And you know, there's no better wisdom than knowing where you are at, and knowing what you're good at, and knowing what you need to improve on. And I really thank you for your honesty with yourselves and for committing to be better versions of yourselves. I want to say well done to you delegates for attending all lessons. You know, in some organizations, you struggle with pushing people to go and get trained for their own benefit. So I was really humbled by how all of you came. You completed your classwork, you did your assignments, and you even approached us when you needed support. Thank you for that. I want to thank you for the projects that you chose. We are looking forward to the impact that you're going to have on the business and to you completing your portfolios of evidence.
Yes.
Trust me, you're not the only ones who are dealing with portfolios of evidence. I went for training recently. I have my own portfolio, which I'm struggling with, but it's part of learning. It's the whole part of learning, declaring and demonstrating your competence. So really give yourselves time for that and complete it. In Wilmar, yes, we are here to the ceremony. Thank you for Thomas for inviting us. Thank you for line managers who came to support. In addition to this completion ceremony, in Wilmar we're saying, we saw the choices you made, I know through the guidance of some of your managers for the projects that you want to work on. And in addition to this, we are going to have a project of the cohort competition. So I have to tip you guys so that you really put your all into this. So we will, after the completion of this, we will ask you to come and make short presentations of what you did, the value that you've added to the business. And I think that way, I heard advocates saying, send more people to this program. That way, you pave the way for more candidates to come and enroll on this program. We'll then have our own internal graduation ceremony in the presence of our EXCO members, where you will receive your certificates of competence and awards for the projects completed. And I'm hoping that Wilmar has a little award also today. Then you also get such awards as well on that ceremony. Thank you so much for listening to me. And yeah, thank you everyone.